guys, back with another video, and as y'all know, I just got this snowman in the mail today. So what I want to show y'all is, since it's like over 10 years old, I saw this thing on YouTube where you take the back of your 2002 snowman and stick an old fan in it. So that's what I did, and in my opinion, it works. Some people might think, oh no, that looks ugly, but it works. When I inflate it, you can see that right here. Okay. Look, it inflates really fast now. Oh, sorry, it fell. I'll fix it. So I wonder if it'll stand without the box. Because if it can, I'm gonna leave it like that. Alright, so I need to find something to sit you up against. So right here, that's what it looks like with two fans. It inflates properly. You do need to lift it up a little bit. And you'll have to adjust it and make sure everything's fixed. Yeah, that is what that looks like. Honestly, I say it works. Again, I'm going to do one more shout out today to Ian, the inflatable and animatronic collector, because he has one of these too. His is in better shape than mine, because my candy cane flops over. His does too, but I don't think he needed two fans, but for me I did. But otherwise, this is him. He looks really nice to me. And yeah, so hope that helps y'all a little bit at least, but bye.